being here at this much-awaited Philippine Junior Marketing Association's Marketista Awards, and I will be with you throughout the night up until the much-awaited Agora Youth Awards.
Today is technically the last event of our batch, and there's no more wonderful way of ending this academic year than by being in the presence of achievers like you. To the individuals and organizations here this afternoon, I welcome you to the Marketista Awards.
Marketista Awards states that it aims to encourage you to exert nothing but excellence and passion in everything that you do. Through your experience to your participation at PJMA, Winners Various Projects, and your exposure to the Philippine Marketing Association's projects, notably the Agora Youth Awards, they are acting very good springboard to greater opportunities that life soon will present to you.
Our Dear Agora Youth Awards finalists means you have gone